What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very unique recipe for you, which is my pinto bean / white bean recipe. First off, I have my cast iron Dutch skillet, and what I'm going to do is put my turkey tails in first. As you can see here, put them in the bottom of my pan, and then I'm also going to add my turkey necks. Adding to this, I will add my chicken broth. I have 2 16-ounce things of chicken broth. I'm going to fill it halfway and then the rest with water, because this is going to be a 4-hour cook. First, I'm going to cook my meat for an hour, and then I'm going to cook the beans in with the meat for 3 hours, checking in on it every 30 minutes to make sure it doesn't need any more chicken broth or water, and make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pan. So every 30 minutes you will see me grab the top off, stir it up, and check my fluid levels. Also, y'all, you can add whatever kind of meat that you like. I don't eat pork, so I added turkey to mine. But you can add pork, ham, whatever you want, whatever kind of meat you want to put in there. Beef, whatever you want to put in there, it's your pot. You can do that. Now, as you can see here, I am adding a couple of bay leaves to cook in with the meat. And you just cook these in, and in the end of your cook, you'll take them out and just throw them away. Also, I'm going to add like 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion powder. I like my food flavorful. It's flavor all up in this pot. I want all these flavors to come in, and I'm only going to season this pot while my meat is in. You can taste as you go through and add more seasoning if you want, but I didn't need any more. I'm also adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning and about 3 teaspoons of black pepper. And that'll be the only time that I'm going to season my pot. But you can taste yours to see if you need any more. But you don't want it salty at all. But you do want all of those flavors to combine in and adhere with your meat. And now you will see me add black pepper. Now I'm going to turn it up to a medium high and bring it to a boil. I'm also going to add 1 onion that I cut up in big pieces. Now these pieces of onion may look big to you, but they're not. They're going to actually cook down, and you're not even going to see them for real. So I like a lot of onion in mine to get those flavors to popping, and to keep it at a boil for an hour to get that meat. You want your meat to start to cook first before you even add your beans. Now it's been 30 minutes. I lift my top off. It's boiling real good. I'm stirring it up, making sure nothing is sticking and that I have enough liquid in it. And just keep boiling for another 30 minutes. Okay, now after 30 minutes, everything is coming all together very beautifully. I have some white northern beans and some pinto beans that I washed and soaked for about 2 hours. I'm going to add these in, let it boil for another 30 minutes before I turn it down and let it simmer. Now, my main goal is to simplify these recipes for new cooks for real, to get your confidence up, because this recipe is not hard. It's not hard to cook. So I'm simplifying it and making it easy for you. Now remember, this was the 4-hour cook. 1 hour on the meat, 3 hours on with everything together with the beans. So I was constantly checking this and making sure my liquid levels were high enough. Like here you can see how everything is boiling, kind of boiling down. You will see me add more, either broth. If you don't have any broth, add water, and then you're tasting your beans to get the texture that you want. You know what I'm saying? You're constantly tasting your beans to make sure that they're not hard and they are done. This was really, really good. Now remember, when you add more water or broth, it's going to cool the pot down. But when you put the top back on, it will begin to boil again. And like I say, taste it so you don't, so that your beans are not hard. Your meat is done. Now, as you can see that they're boiling really good, the beans are boiling, and everything is coming together and becoming more thicker, because I like a thick bean pie. Also remember to taste, because you don't want your beans overcooked either. So when you know how you like your beans to taste, how firm you like them or how soft you like them, then your pot is done. Now, as you can see, you can't even see the onions anymore. All those flavors are coming together and they are busting. Now I'm going to give you guys a little pro tip. I added some of the beans to a small bowl and mashed them up in the bowl, mash them really mushy, and then I'm going to put that back into the pot and stir it. That's going to give the pot more thickness. And there you have it. Mama's pinto bean slash white bean mix. I have some cornbread on the side. I have a separate video on how to make cornbread, which is really easy. As you can see here, first I put a turkey tail in the pot, and then I put my beans on the top of it. This was very, very delicious. So let me know how y'all like this recipe. Get down in the comment. Tell me what you would do differently, what you would put with this, and if you like your recipe when you made it. I want to thank y'all for watching and cooking these beans with me. They turned out beautiful. They were perfect, creamy. The texture was good. The cornbread was sweet. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. And check back with me. There's more to come. Cooking with Calvin.